Hello everybody, happy winter solstice. My mom is making her special rice ball dumpling for the occasion. She's currently making the rice ball right now. And then she's cooking it up. And she put all the vegetables and meats on a separate pot. She cooked this on the side, and when the rice balls are ready, and she's just gonna mix that up, and that will be the whole soup. These are how many that came out of that little pot. Mix those vegetables in here with all the sticky rice balls, and voila! Look at my mom is adding everything in right now. Making a huge pot, a lot of people eating. Actually, there's gonna be multiple pots. Almost ready to go. Actually, it's ready to go. So this is pretty much it. So here's the Chinese Tongyuan rice balls. Two pots. That's how many people are eating.